Euro USD daily markup for Friday the 15th of September 2023. This is the daily time frame. The daily is currently barely bullish as far as the swing is concerned. We've had a break of structure here, after which there's a pullback. We were expecting that the pullback would probably finish at this demand zone. It did not, and then it came to this last kind of demand zone, and it has there's been a slight reaction, and yesterday post news we have almost taken this out. We didn't really close below this as of now, but I definitely think that now the daily is going to turn bearish. So this is as far as the daily is concerned. So once we have a break of structure, we will expect price to again pull back to some kind of a supply zone, maybe this, or maybe even this. But yeah, the daily would probably then turn bearish, and we'll see how price develops as of now. So as far as the daily is concerned, nothing really at the moment. Expecting this to this week, this low to now maybe. I'm not very sure whether it will hold or not, but we'll see how price develops. And once we have a break, we'll probably expect price to come up in the next few days, and then kind of look for shorts from there. So that's as far as the daily is concerned. On the H4, this is what the H4 is. Till yesterday, we were looking at this as the swing structure, and this was the break of structure, after which we were expecting a pullback. So I have now marked my new swing structure as shown here. This is the break of structure. So the H4 is bearish, and we can expect price to kind of now some kind of a pullback to happen. Is there anything on the left over here? Let's just take a look. Well, this is all kind of mitigated for me. I don't really see any strong demand over here. So this was probably the last demand, and if we come further to the left, all this is also mitigated, and then perhaps well, actually all this is really mitigated. I don't really see anything left here. Even this last kind of demand here is also mitigated, so I'm not very sure of if there's anything left here, and price is probably ready to now fall down quite nicely. So we've had a break of structure, and after the break of structure we can expect a pullback to happen. What will indicate that the pullback has started? Well, we need to see at least a chalk on this time frame. The chalk is right over here, so unlikely to happen. So if we want to play longs, which will be part of the pullback, we can probably look at the M15 and then see if there's any order flow kind of developing. So this is the M15 for me. Nothing really. So we've had a break of structure over here, and we can now expect a pullback to happen. I haven't really marked any supply or demand zones over here. We've had a chalk here, and we are now very close to London opening in another about 11 minutes. And yeah, I would think probably the price will now try to pull back to some kind of a strong demand zone. Of course, this is a huge M15 demand over here, so probably the price will try to move into this zone. So we'll see how price develops and take it from there.